scary spider. I can't remember. It must have not been this one though. What type of spider can eat a full-sized bird? Not the black widow. Black widows aren't that bad. Oh, Goliath, bird-eating spider. This. Ugh. This eats a full-sized birds. This! Woo! If this started attacking me, if this jumped at me, if this shit started jumping at me, like dead ass, like I will fucking I will end it. I will end its life. I do not fucking care. Bro, I would end its life. I will not let that thing come near me or Tyson. Bro, look how big this is, and this exists on our Earth. 2 hands in a little child's palm. Ooh, that's its skin. Ooh. Have we started yet? Nope, we're still talking.